Good morning and welcome back to another vlog with GGG and Matthew.
Hello.
Hiya. So today we are in Bequia. Bequia. Why can't I never say it? We're in Bequia. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's one of my favourite Caribbean islands so far. And we're going on a pirate ship. What did the pirate say? Is that the joke?
No. The joke is, why are pirates called pirates? Because they are.
Because they are. I've got my hoops in, especially because I'm with my pirate dreams. And we're going to have a great time. It's 8:30 in the morning and apparently we're going to be on rum punch very soon. Just caught the end of it. It's been a nigger trick. Well, it's not. It's just completely getting changed.
Smashed it.
Smashed it. I think he's managed it. Ta-da! New man. What have we got?
GGG on the front.
What have we got to about today? What's going to happen? Who's going to go on with our talk?
Your guess is as good as mine. I'm considered mellow at the moment.
But do we go to a beach?
For a video.
I haven't been on that ship this early before. It's great. You can actually see the morning sun.
Good morning, sun.
Morning sun. So we are in Bequia. Oh, I can't say it.
Bequia.
Bequia. And it's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. How many islands are part of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Do you know?
I don't know that one.
Well, I'm going to write it here. So I'll give you a little view of the beautiful island.
Everyone will wake up soon.
And we live a life.
The party will be.
I say.
Sunrise, sunrise, sunrise. Will you wake with me for the moonlight, moonlight, moonlight?
That's funny. So we're just going past the beach now, and Matt went there 2 weeks ago for his beautiful resort. What was the resort?
The Lyman Resort.
Was it lush?
Amazing.
Amazing.
10 out of 10.
Really? We're just going past it now. It does look a very gorgeous beach. And there's some like houses built into the...
Oh yeah, there's like the little bungalow, the villas.
Ah! Yeah, I'm going to have a look. I've only a bit of food at the morning. Cheers. Love you. We're on the rum punch now and it's only just hit 10:30. Let's see. 10:34. And it's 5 PM somewhere in the world, isn't it?
Maybe in Australia.
In England would be alright right now. It'd be like 2 PM, 2:30. That's fine.
Day drinks.
All good. All good. England day drinks. Cheers. We've just come up with the plan that we're going to go Greek island hopping together.
Hey guys, so Matt here. Welcome to GGG. Remember to like and subscribe here.
Oh yeah, he always does that. You're my like all the subscribers I get thanks to Matt. It's beautiful, isn't
we're
it?
just pulling up to St. Margaret Beach. Give it a spin, give it a spin, give it a 360.
I love it.
So yeah, I don't know what I was going to say.
Both bursting for a wee, so we can't wait to get to sea.
Good small talk.
Sorry. Celebrate good times, come on! We're going to jump in or are we going to go in the boat? I want to go in a boat, do you want to jump in? It's quite smoky down here, isn't it? Yes, it is. We're at the bottom of the boat right now going to the toilet, but it's an interesting experience. It's very hot and smoky. What should we do? Should we jump in?
I think we should just jump in.
Shall we? Oh my god, I'll be so nervous though. We can do if there's a shark. So, Matt got me in. We actually jumped in. Let's tell the story. We jumped in off the boat, which I'm very proud of myself for because I usually get nervous. We've had a little bit of an issue. Well, not a semi-issue, haven't we? Because we swam there and the current was massive, so it was like chucking us back on the beach and then pulling us back into the sea. Chucking us back on the beach. And there were some rocks and I like scraped my foot, but I've got nothing to show for it, unfortunately. Whereas Matt scraped his whole knee. Oh, you're still bleeding. We're still bleeding. Oh, and there. Don't forget that little bit. So we got scraped against the rocks. But you know, we're here to tell the story. All is good. Did we just manifest more drama?
God, the last videos of this one.
Matt just lost one of his people from his tour. He didn't lose him. He's lost himself. We're hoping that Steve is on the tender port, but we shall see. We are now off our little pirate ship, Hermiardes. Dean, tell a pirate joke.
What's the pirate's favourite letter of the alphabet?
R.
No, C. C.
That was good.
Matt found, well, we did eventually find Steve. Steve had...
Hashtag find Steve.
Find Steve. It was, we were all like, Steve! I don't think I really... Like the whole ship basically was like looking for Steve. Anyway, we found Steve. Bless him. He was he didn't look 75, mate. He didn't look 75. So anyway, we've had a stress. Matt ran up and down the beach. So first of all, Dean, our dramas started off with us jumping into the water. Look, Matt's knees are like shredded because we got whacked into the rocks. Sorry, thank you. Honestly, Dean, the current was like pushing us out and then like sucking us in. Where are we? Where are we at?
Bequia.
No, what's this place called?
I don't know. I'm 2021.
But we love it. I love it. It's great. Yeah, go on then, Matt. Take one for the team, please, love.
Oh, I just want to see what line it was you're pouring. I've had a stressful morning. I'm a hero.
You do know B&G, it was $70 on the thing, and I was like, we have the Sauvignon. He was like, no Sauvignon left, but I'll give you B&G for 30 or something. So B&G is meant to be 70.
Right. Wait to see what the bill comes out as.
Oh, it's fruity.
Wait, Chris Hemsworth is one from Coldplay.
No, bro. That's
No.
Chris Martin.
Oh, never mind.
Chris Hemsworth's 4.
Chris Hemsworth's actor.
Hold the 4, let me Google him.
Cheers.
What's your name? Limwa.
Cheers, Limwa.
It's giving me
Thank you.
TDE. Big energy.
Oh my god.
And I love it.
Oh, that is good. I like it. Look at this beach, babe. Look at this beach, babe, Jodie. It's my camera. She's a beautiful
Some like
pianist
this.
on our ship.
Yes,
Pizza.
please.
Oh, that looks like a nice pizza, Dean.
Veggie wrap?
Thank you.
Veggie wrap, yes, please. Sorry. Veggie
Veggie
is for me.
wrap,
Chicken
veggie
is
too.
for him. Is this veggie or chicken?
Chicken.
No.
Could you bring some mayonnaise, please?
My veggie wrap. Thank you so much.
I get the meanings.
Thank you.
It's all done, man. Thank you.
We love me jerk chicken wrap, but we need some more reggae sauce and some rum punch on it, please.
That's good.
Thank you, Justin.
This is where the Queen used to come, so
That's just
tatty ho.
Comes no more.
Cheers.
It's Greek, yeah?
God save our gracious King.
Hey guys, welcome back to GGG.
Oh, he's gone. He's up.
Look at the crab scene.
It's crapalicious.
Look at all of them. There's hundreds. Oh yeah, I don't like them though. They're a bit gross. Bequia is my favourite island. I think Bequia is my favourite island, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. We've had a bit of an adventure. It's just a bit tropical. I think quite a lot of the resorts are more about the port and a bit industrial, but Bequia here. It is a tender port, so we're going back on the tender. But I think it's like Caribbean vibes, you know?